Okay, so question number 4. Circle the strongest acid and why. So they have a variety of different acids, and they also include the Ka values. So let's recall the definition of Ka. Ka is the acid dissociation constant. And basically, it measures an acid's strength and how well it is able to donate a proton. So when we have a higher Ka value, this means we have a stronger acid. So if we look at our different Ka values, the chlorous acid, HClO2, is 1.1 times 10 to the negative 2. HNO2 is 4.6 times 10 to the negative 4. The hydrogen cyanide, 4.9 times 10 to the negative 10. And finally, the HClO is 2.9 times 10 to the negative 8. So out of all of these values, the chlorous acid contains the highest Ka value. So therefore, HClO2 is the strongest acid. Then I'll just put in brackets that it has the highest Ka value. Okay, so now for part B, of the following acids, which is the stronger? Explain your reasoning, HClO or HClO2. So we already know that HClO2 is stronger because it has its high Ka value. But the reason that it is stronger is because it contains an extra oxygen and has extra oxygen. Okay, so for example, if we were to write the dissociation of these two acids into their respective ions, so we have the chlorite ion, the chlorite ion is able to form more resonance structures due to its extra oxygen group. So this makes the ion more stable. And when you have a more stable conjugate base, this means that you have a stronger acid, since the acid is more likely to dissociate into those ions and it can donate that proton. Okay, so the junior tutor said that the acid dissociation constant Ka is a quantitative measure of an acid's strength in a solution. The higher the Ka value, the stronger the acid will be. From the given groups, the chlorous acid has the highest Ka value, which makes it the strongest acid in the group. Okay, so they also just compared Ka values for part B, but I'm just going to add what I wrote about the extra oxygen as well. So the solution is correct. Okay, so I said that for part B, another reason why HClO2 is stronger is because it has an extra oxygen atom. When it dissociates into H plus and the chlorate ion ClO2 minus, more resonance structures are able to form compared to ClO minus. When we have a more stable conjugate base, we have a stronger acid.